Hello, you're most welcome. It's good to see you once again. And in this video, I want to take you through how to create Microsoft Excel, or what we call spreadsheets. How to get started. So, Excel or spreadsheets help you to organize your work, do calculations, numeric calculations, that is addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication, and also to organize your work, maybe to do rankings, to do comments. Yes, you want to do comments, like for example, when you're making mark sheets, yeah, you want to give your students positions, you want to give them grades, you want to, that helps. That is very easy, and Microsoft Excel does it in a best way and the simplest way that, you don't need to stress yourself too much calculating, adding, and doing what. You can just do everything in a blink. And you also want to organize your financial information, maybe your financial reports, business expenses, and everything that you need to calculate or to organize your work, create tables, graphs, and all those things. So we use Microsoft Excel. Now, how do you get started? For a basic beginner that has not used Excel before, so this is how you're going to start. The first way of opening a Microsoft Excel workbook, or they call them workbooks, so they are like books or sheets. So you can come to your desktop computer, or on your personal computer, and then you click on your keyboard, the Windows Start button and R. So they'll bring for you that dialog, and then you type there Excel, just like you can see it right here, and you click OK. So when you click OK, the Windows runs that command and opens a Microsoft Excel file, like you can see there. So if you want, you can choose a fixed style that you want to use, or for just illustration or for basic information you want to start from the scratch, you can select a blank workbook. So this is how a workbook looks like. And then also how you can save it. You come here to files, and then you click save as. Being the first time that you're opening this document or this sheet, you save as, and then you browse where you want to save it. So I want to save it on the desktop, and then after clicking where you want to save it, they bring for you this dialog where you put the name that you want to save it as, and then you click save. So after doing that, your Excel sheet or workbook is saved on your computer. So you can see from here, if it is saved, it will show the name of the file that you have created. So that is one way of opening Microsoft Excel or workbook. And then the other way, you can come to Windows, you click Windows, and then you type there Excel, like, or if you have a search engine, you can click on that search bar, and then you type Excel. So they will show you that Excel is an application, so you click on it, and it will open instantly. And then you come and choose the design of the Excel of the workbook that you want. So as usual, okay, you can choose welcome to Excel, make your first pivot table, beyond pie chart tutorial. Like there are different designs that you can use. So you can select any. For example, if you want to type a sales invoice tracker, you can click on that, and then they give you a template on how your document is going to look like. Or for anything basic, you just open a blank workbook, and then your workbook is created. So you follow the prompts just like I showed you before on how to save. And then the other way of opening Microsoft Excel workbook, you right click on any position on your desktop, and you come here on new, and then you click Microsoft Excel worksheet. So by instant, an Excel worksheet is created, so you can name it the way you want, and then click enter, so it is saved instantly on your desktop. And then another thing that you need to know is that Excel organizes its work in terms of sheets. Okay, so in terms of sheets, so as you can see, it is like a book with different pages, and each page is named a sheet. So you can add as many sheets as you want. To just come down here and you click add, and then another sheet is added. You click add like that, and sheets are added. So you can have actually a book, a sort of a book in the same in the same document when it's having more than one pages, and Excel names them sheets. And then we have these rows, we have these lines running downwards. These ones are called rows, and then these ones are called columns. So each page, it has where a row and a column meet, and this one is called a cell. Like as you can see, if I type anything, it is put in a specific cell. And then so these rows are numbered. The rows are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, up to infinity. And then the columns are numbered A, B, C, D, E, F, G. If it reaches Z, then they start writing A, B, B, C, C, like that. There are very many. And then so where the cell the cell is given a name according to the column in which it belongs, and also the row. So for example, this one, it is in the column D, this column here, and then the row 9. So the cell reference becomes D9, just like that. So that is the basic information you need to know about what Excel. These sheets, you can name them according to the information that you have put in them, so you can rename them. And yeah, and then there are also different applications. You can select the font, you can select the design of the things that you want to do, and then also the page layout, that you can find them right in here. We're going to be seeing them slowly in the coming videos as we look through Microsoft Microsoft Excel or worksheets or spreadsheets. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.